thank you for joining me. Today I want to give you a tour of my latest renovation project. We've been working on this project for a few months now. From the moment I set foot in this space, I knew it had so much potential.
I took a bite, and now I'm filled up. I don't know where you are tonight. Cause you're right, I've been starving and now I don't know what to do tonight. But I've been feeling like you're pretty easy to like. When your body is closer to mine, you got me feeling like there's no one other than you who can make me lose my mind. You start me up like no one has ever could.
We've been working tirelessly on transforming this space, and I cannot wait to show you all the incredible changes that have been taking place. This house has 2 levels, and we have upgraded the exterior and the main level of the house. Original plan was to close the carport and add a garage. We even got a building permit for it, but as we progressed, the scope of the project got bigger and we left closing the carport to the later stage due to the budget. First thing first, we decided to upgrade all the windows. They had 1 layer of glass and they were not efficient at all. We upgrade them to energy efficient double glazed windows with dark trim, and that's not only looks amazing but also helps to save on utility bills. We painted the entire house and got rid of the faded color. We gave it a deep, elegant, eye-catching color. Okay, so I am at our Draycott project. In this project, we are completely redoing the driveway at this point. As you can see, the house getting painted, the new windows and doors has been installed. To add some texture, we applied a stone to the bottom of the house. It used to be brick. It gives it such a modern look. The new modern wall sconces add an extra layer of charm to the overall look. All the soffit has been changed to fair wood and we stained them to get this color. We also added light into the soffits too, and that makes the house looks great at night too. The front door was a big factor for me, and I've designed this gorgeous wood door with mirror glass on each side. There is a charming in real wood door that you cannot get that with a composite material. Okay, so it's time to step inside the house. When you walk in, before you go upstairs, there's an entry area. I changed the layout. I added a closet, tiled the flooring for the durability, and added lighting. We also fixed the stairs and got rid of widers and made it more functional and comfortable for going up and down. When you go up the stairs, the first thing you see is this beautiful wood-burning fireplace. We decided to keep it, so I came up with this design, extending the raised hearth to the wall and installed 2-tone tile that looks like concrete to finish it off. It's such a beautiful design and it gives the space an asymmetrical look. We changed the entire flooring to the engineered hardwood. Now it's time to show you the areas that went through major changes: kitchen and dining area. When I walked in, there were walls everywhere, beside the stairs, between dining and kitchen area. Even to go to the deck, there was only very small swing door. All these walls were load-bearing, and to remove them, we had to support the ceiling and roofs with beams and posts. We opened the interior walls, and on top of that, I decided to add bifold door to the deck and open the entire wall to accommodate that. Originally, I kept the wall on the back of the stairs to keep the cost down. But as we opened the walls, I felt the look that I get to remove that wall will be worth it. So I shared that with my client and we got them on board and changed the layout slightly to create more open space. This kitchen going to look beautiful. We already finished all our structural work. The beams and posts has been done. The wall removal happened already. This whole wall that you see behind me is going to have a gorgeous cabinetry, floor to ceiling. We have a pantry, fridge, freezer. We have a wall oven, range, and a hood fan. All on that wall. You're gonna have a beautiful island right here. We're gonna have a sitting area, and this wall that we covered with plywood will have bifold doors toward the new deck that we are going to build. So it's gonna be indoor-outdoor kitchen. We have a full pantry, stove, fridge, freezer with an angle cabinet, and we have a lot of cabinet and storage. The sink is by the large window, and I continue the kitchen in an L-shaped format to the dining area. I have cabinets on both sides with bar fridge, glass cabinet on one side, and solid cabinet door on the other side. I also added this cool floating shelf to the bar area and added the strip lighting in it. So that's not only pretty, but also function as a task lighting for the counter space. The gorgeous big island in the middle of the kitchen with lots of drawers made of white oak adds so much functionality and storage space to this kitchen. I extended the countertop so I can have bar stool on the other side of the island. Let's talk about this gorgeous countertop by Caesarstone that looks like white concrete, and I continued it all the way to the wall and use it as a backsplash too. This made the kitchen more modern and sleek. To add more charm, I added 4 pendant sliding on top of the island. For the dining, I picked this cool pendant that has adjustable cord so I can install it on an angle ceiling, and I use matte black for all the fixtures in a house.
Right now at this stage of the project, a lot of structural work has been done. We're supposed to extend the deck, and that's what we did. We have new posts and new beams, and we extended the deck completely. Right now we are going to build a new set of stairs. We extended this deck quite a bit. It was quite small. It did have a sitting area. It didn't have a dining area, so we are adding quite a bit to this deck. It's almost covering the whole side of the house, and it's gonna have a dining area, and the sitting area will have a cover. We also kind of push the stairs outside the dining area. I have it on the side of the deck, and it's going to go all the way down toward the backyard. And later on phase 2, we will do landscaping design and probably add a hot tub or something at the backyard. It's going to look awesome.
The new bifold door opens to the deck. The deck was smaller and it couldn't fit an outdoor dining space and sitting area. So we extended the deck, waterproof it, and finished it with pedestal tile and added a set of stairs that goes to the backyard. The wood soffit looks amazing in this area, and it covers most of the deck. The last but not the least, we swapped the traditional railing with glass, and that helped to create a seamless and unobstructed view. I also think it brought a touch of elegance and sophistication to the home. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Have a great day, and I see you in my next video.